Take a deep breath. Picture yourself in a quiet forest, standing by a flowing river, with mountains rising in the distance. In this moment, feel the truth. God's love never fails. Welcome to History of Hope. Please subscribe. Today, we're resting in His unchanging nature, finding peace in a world that's always shifting. Let's journey together for 3 minutes. Life changes fast. Friends move away, plans fail, and worries creep in. But God? He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. Hebrews 13:8 says, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Like these ancient mountains, His love stands firm. When I was a teen, doubting my worth, I found comfort knowing God's love for me never wavers. Look at this river. Its steady flow, carved over centuries. Psalm 36:5 says, Your love, Lord, reaches to the heavens, your faithfulness to the skies. Every tree, every peak, every ripple declares God's unchanging care. When anxiety hit me last year, I'd sit by a stream, praying, and feel His love wash over me, steady as this water. God's creation reminds us, His love endures. So how do we rest in God's love? First, pause and pray. Tell Him your fears. He listens. Second, read His Word. Verses like 1 John 4:16. God is love. Anchor your heart. Third, trust His presence. Even when life feels shaky, His love is your rock. Like these mountains, He's unshakable, and you're held in His care. Knowing God's love never fails changes how we live. It frees us to love others, to forgive, to hope. Romans 8:38-39 promises nothing can separate us from His love. Not failure, not fear, not anything. So step into today with confidence. You're loved forever. Let that truth guide you, like a river leading to the sea. As the stars shine over these mountains, rest in this. God's love never fails you. How has His love carried you? Share in the comments. Let's inspire each other. Subscribe and join our History of Hope journey for more moments of faith. Until next time, rest in His unchanging love.